Hey everyone, my name's Eric. I'm the business analyst of Simple Invest, and today I'm going to take you to the property dashboard, the central hub for managing property investments for both Simple Fund and Simple Invest. To get here, select Investments from the main toolbar, then choose Property Dashboard. Simply enter the address and choose the property type. All the property-related chart of accounts will be created automatically, so you don't have to worry about creating them yourself. We understand that rental properties have been a focus of ATO in recent years, and they've strengthened the requirement for independent valuations on properties, especially for SMSF. To meet the compliance requirement, we have improved the integration with independent valuers. I think it's a good idea to look into how to add valuations for properties. To add a valuation, click the on hover Add Valuation or open up a property. Select a provider to choose from our many external providers, which is just a link through to a dedicated page to request a valuation. On top, we have BGL recommended, which means better data integration. For example, select Form Preview next to Property Presser, and the form will preview with some existing property information that already exists in the BGL software, saving us from typing again. For now, we have to manually enter the valuation when the valuation report is sent back. Good news that we are in progress of further cooperation with some partners, including Property Presser, to have the valuation sent back directly via API, so the data will be readily available in the software. Select Warning Preference. A matrix will open up and allow you to set a different valuation age based on entity types like SMSF and non-SMSF, and between residential and commercial properties. When the valuation is overdue, there will be a red warning dot under both entity and global view. The numbers indicate how many properties are due for an updated valuation. The default entity view shows all properties held by the current entity. Switch to global view and you can see every property across your entire Simple Fund and Simple Invest license in one place. A property summary report can also be generated to give you a clear overview. With the rental summary, Property Dashboard also keeps track of all your ledgers, and you can have a quick summary of the rental expenses and income throughout the financial year. Open up a property and select Rental tab. The system will automatically calculate total income, expenses, net income, and rental yield based on your ledger entries. You can also generate a copy of rental statement here, which is handy. Lease information and last rental appraisal date can be further recorded here. Invoicing is a component recently added to the Property Dashboard. It allows users to issue rental invoice on both one-off and recurring basis. Let's now take a further look. There are two ways to add an invoice. You can either click the on hover button or from below. System defaults to one-off invoice. We can toggle on recurring if we want to create a monthly rental invoice. We can name the template, enter the details to define the frequency. In this example, we'll set for the 10th of each month. Don't forget to enter an ends-on date, so you will not end up sending invoice to tenants that already moved out. On the invoice wizard, simply select from an existing recipient or add a new contact. We'll select an existing contact in this example, and you can see the address and email will populate, but you will also have the option to update on the fly if needed. The invoice date will default to today's date, but you can also schedule for a future date. We can select an existing bank account and apply as default, or add a new one here. Then, we'll proceed to enter the invoice details, including description and amount. The option to apply GST is also available. We are now ready to create the recurring invoice. Email will be sent out on the scheduled invoice date with invoice journals posted automatically. And thank you for your time, and hope we all take away something valuable from today's session. Thank you.